Welcome to UpperCervicalCare.com, where you'll find true health and pain-free living the natural way. Perhaps you just stumbled upon us because you were searching for help, or maybe you're living in pain right now or you know someone who is. Or maybe you've just recently heard of the seemingly miraculous power of upper cervical care and you want to learn more. Well, let me tell you, you're in the right place.
Within 2 months, 25 different symptoms that she had were almost completely gone.
I know upper cervical specific care has changed my life, has allowed my body to function the way it's supposed to.
We've created UpperCervicalCare.com to be the place to go on the web for up-to-date information on this rapidly growing form of healthcare. So what is upper cervical care anyway? Never heard of it? Well, there's a whole bunch of videos and information all over this website that can answer that question for you in depth, including its history, as well as why many people haven't heard of it. But let me just give you the quick drive-through version so I can introduce to you the basics of upper cervical care and how it can radically change your life. All right, you see those two top neck bones? That's the upper cervical spine. And that purple light? That's a system of nerves passing through those bones from your brain to the rest of your body called the brainstem. Those nerves are a part of an elaborate computer network that regulates your immune system and controls your body's capacity to fight off illness and heal itself. Think of it like a whole bunch of telephone cables or Cat5 cables flowing from your brain to every cell, organ, and system in your body. Now check this out. For whatever reason, if one or both of these bones are out of whack, causing irritation or pressure on the brainstem and interrupting the communication system flowing inside of it, you can end up with all kinds of health issues. I mean stuff that you would have never associated with this part of your body. Problems like allergies, high blood pressure, fibromyalgia, learning disorders, and the list goes on and on and on and on. You see what I mean? Crazy, right? So what an upper cervical practitioner does is focus on these two bones in your body, making sure that they're properly aligned and making any necessary corrections. I mean, it's simple. So why would you go and spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on drugs or medicines or hospital bills when really your body may just be able to naturally heal itself from the inside out once everything's properly aligned and the communication is restored once again.
You correct the cause, you correct the vertebral subluxation, and they get well.
If the brain can communicate with all parts of the body, we stay well.
So we'd love for you to spend some time on the website, getting to know more about upper cervical care and what it can do for you. If you'd like to watch videos or learn more about what some are calling the best kept secret in healthcare, click the Learn button. Maybe you need some answers right now about a problem that you or someone you care about is going through. Type in the disorder or the issue in the search bar above and start learning more right away. Maybe you're ready to find a doctor. Check out the interactive map of upper cervical practitioners in the area below and locate a doctor near you. You can also stay connected with us and join the upper cervical community through Facebook, Twitter, and by signing up for our newsletter down in the area at the bottom of the page.
There's a better message, there's a better paradigm, and upper cervical will be on the map soon.
Thank you for your interest in UpperCervicalCare.com. Through this website and our growing network of doctors throughout the country, we have the privilege of serving you and your family today and in the days to come.